installation ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ Jenkins installation ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಸರ್ ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನೋಡಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇದಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅವಾಗ ಗೆಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಈಗ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇಲ್ಲ 13 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ಕಿಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೋಡಿ ಓಕೆ Okay. Yeah, Ruby is scripting language, not a programming. In the Gradle build, it uses Ruby script. Okay. Okay. Before starting Jenkins, you have to go through some theory. That is very, very important.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
need clarification.
Tell me.
We created a project in Maven. We created a project.
Yes.
We want to migrate from Maven to Gradle.
Yes.
Now, again we created another project in Maven, and then we migrated. Instead of that, we already had a project.
That can be done, but it will be confusing for you, right? So for the third one, given you a fresh one, create a Maven project and migrate. It will be easy for everyone to answer.
In these for students, in the first lab, assuming there is one lab to create a project in Maven. Another lab create a project. Third lab for
Create one more Maven project and migrate to Gradle. If they do it for the first project only, no problem at all. There will be no clash.
all we are running in Ubuntu, sir.
No problem, sir. That also will work.
Sir, vice versa is also possible.
Gradle to Maven we don't recommend because Maven hates Gradle. They are like competitors only, you can say. They are competitors because Gradle says that Gradle is faster than Maven. But I have been using Maven and Gradle both. I have found Gradle not better than Maven. Maven is even better than that. Shall we start? People ಬರ್ಬೇಕು. ಒಂದು ವಾರ್ ಫೈಲ್ ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಮಾಡಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಒಂದು ಜೆನ್ಕಿನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಫೋಲ್ಡರ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಡಿ ಡ್ರೈವ್, ಸಿ ಡ್ರೈವ್ ನಾಟ್ ರಿಕಮೆಂಡೆಡ್, ಡಿ ಡ್ರೈವ್ ಇಸ್ Maximization. A command run Java space hyphen jar. How do you download? You download video or something? Just wait. You can play this command. And the command is Java space hyphen jar. Space hyphen jar. Jar J space J press money. Tab press J. Tab press money. Error log. I'm sorry. Something wrong. Download ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ correct ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾವು. ಒಂದು ಫೈಲ್ ಅಂತ ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಪಟ್ಟೆ ಫೈಲ್ಸ್ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ you will only have this file, nothing else. So while downloading, there will be some mistake. Jar file. Jenkins.var file. You get this? You download it. You copy that file. You have to get folder. ನೋಡಿದ್ರಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಬಾರ್ ಹೋಗಿ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಬಾರ್ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಖಾಲಿ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಿಎಂ ಬ್ಲೂ ಅಂತ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಬ್ಲೂ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಸಿಎಂ ಡಿ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇದು ಓಪನ್ ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ only ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದು ಆಯ್ತಾ ರೈಟ್ ಜಾವಾ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ hyphen jar space type J tab ಬರೀ type J ಅಂದ್ರೆ J ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ jenkins.var ಅಂತ ಬಂತಾ ಎಂಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿ running from something ಬಂತಾ let it come ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಒಂದು ಪಾಸ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಇನ್ನೂ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಪಾಸ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಕಾಪಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಮೌಸ್ ಇಂದ ಮಾಡಿ ಈ ತರ ಒಂದು ಸಿಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಹಂಗಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಬದಿಲೇಬೇಕು ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಬರಬೇಕು go to your Google browser. Last time video ಇದೆ ಯಾರು ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ okay the host folder dashboard for login Total default code for NPC. You can change that. Yes, ma'am. Take some time. So because videos the user create with the card. Close the terminal. Control V. I know. Done. Got the dashboard. Same with those steps, no difference. Only in the terminal level. Java space, I think that. There is a last step. No changes. Did you install that? Aita, did you create your user? Video check. Okay. Because I'll give you no demo. Please do it. Because one step beside one there, you will not get the other things. Anybody who did not get my card, this one.
So installing, so this is local on the video. So this is local on the video.
Should not come there.
It's fine.
Are you checking the video?
So I just downloaded it.
I am sharing the video. Please check the video. Because see, this same installation for the students only. This one, you have to do this. You have to do it for 60 or 30 systems. You do the steps, you will not. That's why I'm saying, please. I'm doing the link. But this is not the video installation. I think I know I was saying that. Yes, sir. Resources folder. Resources folder.
Need
You will have to get a name. We'll take group photos. Given in the PDF. The activity will tell what I have written. Yeah. It's what you have written. So that part I have given. That you have to remember. Gradually you will remember.
Because students
Yes. That I have given, right? So I have been supporting. The project will not be there. Project step by step. Done? Installed? You got the first user. Now you are into your dashboard, I guess, all of you. Now, all of you have installed Jenkins. ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ನಾಲ್ಕರಿಂದ ಸೇಮ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಇದು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಕಲೀರಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ C45 ನೀವು ಅನ್ಲಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಏನು ಮುಗಿಯಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನೋಡೋದು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀವಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಅಲ್ಲ dashboard. So we will not use that to learn something else before that. ಆಯ್ತಾ Yes. After that, when you want to deploy something, you need Kubernetes and Docker. Because sometimes people will say that in my system it is working, in your system it is not working. What happens? Your system will have a different environment or other applications. This system might have something else. Our give it correct. In the system, developer will say it is working. Tester will say no, it is not working. So what we do, we create a virtual environment so that everything is put into that. ISO image ತರ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. That is done by Docker. After that, when you are launching that application, we use Kubernetes. They are related. After this date, those things come. So what you are learning is only 5% of the work out of 100. So those things will come later. No, it's not. Docker Kubernetes is not. Only Jenkins is there. And Azure DevOps basic idea is. So, one suggestion for you, ma'am. Next time, whenever you install any application, just click on this button. Remember, and there will be one more button. Keep me signed in. Just take those so that next time when you are logged in, it will not ask you to password. Or else you can keep any your name and something like that. Your name like that. So it's
Local system.
over. I don't know why I'm saying that. No, no, no.
I never
Okay.
if it is not okay.
Now shall we go to the next topic? Yes. ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆಯೋದೇನಿಲ್ಲ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡೋದು ತುಂಬಾ ಇದೆ. What is the most important thing for organization? Use Flipkart. What is the most important thing for Flipkart? Time. What is the most important thing for the Flipkart company? Application. Very, very important. This question will be asked in the interview. Most student answers this, and they are not hired now. ಯಾರು hire ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. Why will people hire them? If they don't say this thing only. If you don't have your Flipkart.com website, where will you go and buy things? So the application is very important. This application for any company is very, very important because without this, how can people log into your website? How can people start doing business? It's not possible. But for us, Flipkart.com is just a website, right? We go to the Google, we type google.com, and then we go to Flipkart.com. We start buying. For there are so many aspects. Their server, they have the hardware, they will have electricity, they will need cooling systems, and they will need physical infrastructure. Because they have built right? After that, they will need operating system also. Windows, Mac, Linux, iOS, anything. After that, on top of that, every time you will get Windows updates, security updates, etc., etc. You do that, right? Auto updates you will get in Microsoft. In Linux, Ubuntu also you get sudo updates, all those things. Do you update or not update? In Android also you have to update. Why? So that you get the latest version of it. In new framework and runtime, what language are we learning? Java. Java framework and framework we are using. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡು, because I am running from here only, no? And it is set up like that only. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡು. Okay. Right. Now, see, for us, what looks like a simple application, for them it is whole this thing in their physical machine or server. It is very easy to do this. You have seen that just creating a Java application is such an edit. History install ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಆ install ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, MVN space and lots of doing this system not possible, very difficult. After doing this only, you will get data customers. ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ they will come. So doing that in your is called on-premise architecture, physical architecture. Just like you have a lab, you have set up. Is it feasible for everyone to do it? If I tell you to do this in one day, when you how many of anybody? Yes, sir has an idea. So suppose you have 512 GB now. I say that Mada, you need 512 GB. One TB back one. Can you do it easily? You have to go to company, they will say, "La, agala, why I was iPhone 17." So it is very difficult to upgrade also. Imagine I have a server which is handling 5 customers. Tomorrow, lots of customers come back. What happens? I have to create a bigger server. Not possible. Pay lots of money. Now, because of cloud, button click model. You have 32 GB, you can easily get 64 GB. Just put a mail to AWS, put a mail to Microsoft, they will give you. So that process is not feasible for everyone. That's why we move to cloud. For cloud, we think that it is actually storage, not only storage. It is a feature by which all this application stack will be given to you virtually. When you go and buy a laptop, what do you see first? Is to have, is to storage ಇರಬೇಕು. ಆಮೇಲೆ you will take configuration, the specs, and then you will say that okay, i7 processor, i9 processor, generation, something like that. All this will decide, right? So what I'm saying is, you will always decide about this thing. Storage, this is the main thing. This is physical. In case of cloud, virtual. This process is called virtualization. The process of converting physical copies of everything to virtual copies is called virtualization. That is actually, this term is very important. What is virtualization? The process of converting your physical devices into virtual copies is called virtualization. Because it is in the cloud, and be accessed by anybody. Example, Reliance. You have Geo. You have a 1 GB beko, I'm using 1 GB data. You need 2 GB, I will take 2 GB, I will use that. So how much you need, that much you will pay, not more, not less. Understood? This is given by cloud service providers. There are so many service providers. You have Google, Google Cloud Platform. We have AWS, Amazon Web Services. We have Microsoft Azure. These are all examples. We have lots of others. There is something called Digital Ocean also. These are all examples. What we do is, what we have in our normal system that will be deployed in. That is why we are learning DevOps. DevOps is part of cloud only. We may even read it in build material. We don't have to do it anymore. It can be done in the online systems only. Okay? So the most important thing is cloud service models. You might have heard about IaaS, PaaS, SaaS. The three services. Platform as a service, software as a service, and what? What is the next one? Can you tell me? Infrastructure as a service. Do you know the difference between both? No problem. You can say any idea?
Infrastructure. Cloud infrastructure.
Whatever physically we have, they will provide. They will provide. I will give you a better idea. Let me open a different so that you get a brief idea about what do you mean when I say on-premise? In your physical server, everything is there. In company, in server, but it is very difficult to maintain that. Suppose I Google one day what happened. The maid she was working. She was just cleaning the area. Plug was it though. She thought normal plug. They lost 15 minutes because nobody was able to log. That was the main plug for the data center. It is very difficult to maintain all your servers. Therefore, why bother about that? Take cloud services. Let's talk about these three services one by one and try to understand how it works. This is the I will share it with you. Okay. This example will tell you what it is to understand. On-premise, everything is your own. Infrastructure as a service, some things will be managed by you, some things will be managed by the vendor, the service provider. Here, some more, here, everything will be managed by them. I'll give you an example. Consider like this. Suppose you are trying to make a cake. Cake ready marak try ಮಾಡ್ತಾ See this. ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರೆ you need your dining table, water, oven, cake pan, flour, sugar, butter, eggs, ಎಲ್ಲ ಬೇಕು ತಾನೆ? This is simple example of on-premises, physical server that you have in your own building or your own company. Difficult to manage or easy to manage? Someone says easy to manage. Is it easy to manage? It's very difficult to manage because ಎಲ್ಲ ನೀವೇ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. Nobody will come and help you. You have to keep two people to manage this system. You have to pay them extra. Sometimes you have to pay for security also. You have to pay for electricity. Everything you have to pay. But imagine, now I say that I'm talking about the other one, infrastructure as a service. You know what happens? ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಡೈನಿಂಗ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಇದೆ, ವಾಟರ್ ಇದೆ, ಇದೆ, ಓವನ್ ಇದೆ, ಪ್ಯಾನ್ ಇದೆ. Only these things you are buying from the now it is better because this you have to grow. You have to have your hens at home. You have to have cow at home, and you have to get all these things. In this case, it is becomes a little bit easier. What is the other option that you can do? You can order online from Swiggy. Yes or no? See, you only need dining table. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಬೇಕೇ ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. Yes, that you need at home. You need that. But what is the best option that you can do? You can go out and have it in a restaurant. It's called software as a service. What example? WhatsApp. Everything is managed by them only. You are just using that. That is called software as a service. Now you got the how it works. Google Cloud. Everything is virtually present. Imagine today you lost your mobile. You can log into WhatsApp buying a new mobile. Why is that possible? That is not only storage, it gives you every feature. Clear? These are the basic examples of services. I'll share you this PPT also. Okay. Now you can explain this part to everyone. Okay. Now one more thing that you need to know in DevOps, we see this many a times. You might have also heard about this word a lot. But you might be thinking, what is this? Very important. CI/CD pipeline. ಕೇಳಿದಿರಲ್ಲ? You've heard about this many a times. What is this CI/CD pipeline? I will tell you. Continuous integration, continuous delivery and deployment. What is this actually? The developer. Yes.
ಅದನ್ನ continuous will integrate with the other
And after that, but how do you do it? How will it happen? This is correct. If you continuously you are keeping on doing changes, it will get. But how?
using Jenkins to
Jenkins is a CI tool, continuous integration tool. Okay, I will share you this diagram. This diagram is the best thing to understand CI/CD. Just go through this diagram. Just observe Madi. I will explain line by line everything. Try to understand. Okay? Till today, developer, you are in your system. You do commit. When do you commit? Where do you commit in your project? Git use ಮಾಡಿ commit ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಲ್ಲ. When do you commit? When you have written some code. After that, when do you do pull? From the remote machine, when you want to get something to your machine, you do pull. After that, when do you merge? You merge that to the master branch. This is the master branch. Remember, we have done that. After that, we have used two tools now, Maven and Gradle. They are to build after it. See, after that, we have done test, Selenium, JUnit, TestNG, test ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. After that, there are some applications like SonarQube and Trackup. They do scanning of your project. Like actually, what happens is you can see whether something is critically wrong about the application. It is called sanity testing. Why this is done? Suppose max to max in your application, you are trying to log in. How do you know what Can you give it for everyone? Not possible. Functionalities of it. That's why this kind of scans are done. After that, we have yes, done. This step is called reverse integration. At that, will scan upload. This is done in CI. Because every day we will write some more. We will keep on doing. That's why it's continuously done. Jenkins is a CI agent, continuous integration agent. Okay? Here, after that, deploy. Deploy ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ first developer deploy ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ remember this UAT. UAT today I have an application. People are my seniors and colleagues. What I do is I will send you the website link. You guys will check. Oh, this is fine, very good. That part is not fine, not this color is not on. You guys will say that. You will give feedback. This is called user acceptance test, UAT. Just like as a friend, you will say, suppose you have written a book also. You will say that like that. Right? So you're giving feedback on that. After your feedback, I will be finalizing that. Okay, my application is fine. Then I can go for user acceptance. Yes, for this use either AWS or whatever the last two topics. All these things are automated because CI and CD can be automated. This whole thing is a continuous cycle. That is where DevOps is called CI/CD. This is not for one day. For the entire project, that's why it is a cycle like this. If you cycle in the, if you go to Google and see, type CI/CD and see this, you get to know that CI/CD pipeline. See, you have an infinity symbol. This continuous integration and continuous. Okay? It keeps on continuing. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ see after deployment also, suppose deliver ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ, you delivered to website to your after something you will see changes. Everything is there, so you keep on continuing it. Save the diagram, okay? So that you can ಈ diagram refer ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Make sense? This much theory after giving to gradle ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ you have to give introduction to DevOps and C. After that you can go to Jenkins. Now you understand what is Jenkins? It is C like CD ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. Okay. Now I will go to Windows Direct. I'll just say Windows R, go to CMD. In my direct I have Jenkins, so I'll show you like this. Direct, CD Jenkins. Jenkins.what. It will open my Jenkins from here and you should see this message. It is coming and downloading everything. I'll show you. This message should come. Jenkins is fully up and running. The server is up. We don't have anything remote, so we are doing that in our local server only. Our own server. And the default port for that is 8080. Go here and say localhost 8080. It will open my Jenkins dashboard. For the first time, if you are doing, you have to register as a first name, last name, and username that we have already done. Right? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಬರಬೇಕು, and after that, this part of your page will be empty because you don't have any project. But this part will be coming. Dashboard, new item, build history, all this will come. Yes, this part, ignore that part. That part will be empty for you.
New item, build history,
Now, in Jenkins, we create jobs or items. Okay, so let's create a. Can you see this new item? While installing, you might have selected install selected plugins or something. That side, you selected on that. So by default, it will install something. There is Git plugin, credentials, adela install again. Okay, so that's why I always select that part. That part. Remember that. Now click on new item and give a name. I'll say SVIT get demo. SVIT get demo. And now I'm trying to create a pipeline. Git in the integrate model try ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Why? Because my project is in Git, right? I will not allow anyone to touch my local system. Git in the model. Why should they get access to my system? So that's why it is important to have your coding. Okay. Select it, and because we don't have any servers, we create freestyle project. Select ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ freestyle project select ಮಾಡಿ, and then click on OK. It will open a page like this. Configure, generate description ಅಂತ ಏನಿದೆ. Okay. Now, if you remember, go to your GitHub home page. Okay, illu idi username ಅನ್ನು click ಮಾಡಿ. Click on your username. Yes. Click on your GitHub username. This one. Done. Now go to repositories, and if you remember, you have created one Git demo repository, recently, yesterday. Yes. Just click on that. Open that. Open ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ. Because for you there will be very less. I have 50 repositories. For you there will be 1, 2, 3 maximum. Aita? Yeah, because it is college. Okay. Now you have got here. It's okay. ಎಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೂ ಬರಲಿ ಸರ್. Go to repositories and go to that project. Git demo ಅಂತ ಇತ್ತಲ್ಲ ನಿನ್ನೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿ. Everyone can see this code button. Code button green color. Click on that. Click the drop down. You can see a HTTPS URL. On the right hand side, you can see copy URL to clipboard. Okay. Now go back to Jenkins. Okay. In the description, you can write demo to connect Git to Jenkins. You can write like this for your understanding. Sorry, sir. Illegal.
What happened was using dashboard.
Huh. You are here only. Go to configure. Huh. Okay. That's right. Like that. Written. And then scroll up. Okay. Source code management is none by default. It's none. Just click on Git. You have the option of repository URL. Yes. Paste the URL that we copy. Did you copy? Credentials only, you have none. There is any option in the drop down? Nothing. Nothing. So click on add. Click on add. You're getting Jenkins like highlight something else. Click on that. In the domain, there is something called global credentials. Adara open agidya. Okay. Username and password is there. You drop down only select username and password only, no other things. Okay. I have already done it. For you, I am showing you this. So here, username will be your GitHub username. So make sure you go there and copy that. In GitHub username ಏನು ಅದು ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. If you use mail ID, use mail ID. If you use username, use username. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಪಾಸ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಸ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಇದೆ ಕೇಳಿ. ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪಾಸ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದು ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು. ಮತ್ತೆ ಊಟ. ID not required, only username and password is required, and then in the description You can write like this. In the description, just write like GitHub credentials. Not mandatory to write capital letter. If you want small letter, you can write. Just for your understanding, I'm writing like this. GitHub credentials. In the description, not in the ID. I thought click on add. I will not click, I've already done. What is that? Yes, no. What I will do, I will ideally ಇಲ್ಲ description ಅಲ್ಲಿ git credentials ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಿ cancel. Now in the none section you will get one option. In the none section you will get your option. The drop down you will get the latest added option. ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? In the drop downs check whatever you added just now you are getting. You have given something like that you will get. You get it? Click on that and select that. It will look like this. This is my credentials, GitHub. ನಿಮಗೆ GitHub credentials ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ bracket ಅಲ್ಲಿ. You can change it. You cannot change that. You can delete that later if you want. Okay, if you need, you can delete that. ಆಯ್ತಾ? Which branch are you working on? Master branch. By default, master branch is selected. Some cloud repositories they can have main nodes. ಅವಾಗ main select. Here it is master, let it be master. And then everything is fine, no problem. Okay, now do one thing. Just click on apply and click on save. Last apply ಮತ್ತೆ save. Done. This project is just to connect to your nothing else. Okay, now can you see here an option called build now? Click on that, it will build your project. CI pipeline will be created. Click ಮಾಡಿ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಒಂದು output ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Run ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ pipeline ತರ. Just click on that. And if you click, there should be a green color tick. If you successfully connected, you will get a green color tick. Okay. Now, do one thing. Can you see something called console output? All of you? Yes. Click on that. Last, you will get success. Today, we connect again, success with it. So now you have completed. See this. Question number 6. Setting up a CI pipeline, integrating Jenkins with Maven, greater running automated. So, connect Maven connect ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. That we have to do now. First task is done. Jenkins is the first part of this is done. Now the next part is done. Okay. Everyone got the output? Go back. Now here, go back to your dashboard. Now, go to your GitHub, open the Maven project that we create. Okay, open the Maven project. I created SVIT Maven demo. For you, it will be Maven demo or something. Please remember and take that one. That's it. It can be Maven demo, whatever you have created, that one. Open that. Same thing. Copy this URL. Code is the kegade idella. HTTPS. Copy that URL. Copy it. You understand now how we are connecting this to that. This is we are creating a pipeline, sir. That is how we are creating a pipeline, the CI pipeline. Okay. Now, Jenkins and GitHub are already connected. We verified that. Now we are running main project by Jenkins from GitHub, not from the system. Now we are totally in the cloud. You don't need any machine. Okay. Now let's go back to Jenkins. Create a new item. New item. New new item, you write down GitHub, I'll say SVIT space GitHub hyphen, no space, okay, hyphen ಮಾಡಿ GitHub Maven Jenkins. Sorry, sir. Go to dashboard. ಅಲ್ಲಿ new item ಇದೆ plus ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ. Okay. See what I have written SVIT GitHub Maven Jenkins. GitHub project ಅಲ್ಲಿ Maven project na Jenkins ಅಲ್ಲಿ run ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Understood? Now, this project only. Because okay. Done. Now description only you can write the same thing. GitHub Maven project in Jenkins. I'm writing this. You can understand what you are doing. And if you want, you can write down this also here. In the end, this is number 6. Topic 6. Program ಅಂತ ಬರೆಯೋದು. Topic 6. Because you can easily remember. Okay. Scroll up. Now remember, there we are running a command. To run the test case, we are running nbn space test. Let's go here. And source code management repository URL you have copied just now. You know that copy. Paste it here. Now this time you will not add the credentials again. You already have that here. See, in the none, you will have the credentials automatically. Why we added that there? So every time now you connect, you don't have to give username password. You can add it from there. Done for that? Next, you will get something. Make it the same. Master everything. Don't change anything. Build triggers ಇದೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ. This build triggers. Triggers, there is nothing to trigger. Go to build steps. Down, you will see build steps. Yes. Where were we running the command? Command and terminal. Windows terminal command. So in the add there, click the drop down. You will get something called Windows batch command. Yeah, first option only. Execute Windows batch command. Click on that and write down this command mvn test. Mvn test. I'm just zooming in for you. Okay. So that maven command that we ran in our system, now it will run from GitHub. Okay. Now relatable, scroll up and just say appliance. Appliance. ಇವಾಗ build now ಮಾಡಿ same step. Build now ಮಾಡಿ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಆ pipeline ನ click ಮಾಡಿ. To start the pipeline, click on that and see the console output. ಇಲ್ಲಿ browser open ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. It actually finished quickly. See, everything finished quickly. Did you check the output? Is it working? Success? Yes. You could not see that because we had not given any timings. It was very fast. But it successfully connected. Okay? No errors, nobody?
Settings CA.
6 ತನಕ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Question number 6. We have connected Maven, we have connected GitHub, we have connected Jenkins and deployed artifacts. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿತ್ತು ಅಲ್ಲಿ verify ಆಗಿದೆ. GitHub ಅಲ್ಲಿ deploy ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. In GitHub we have deployed. From there you are verifying with Jenkins. So if you do any changes to your system, then you will do git push to GitHub. In Jenkins in the run ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you can see it. Got it? So that is how the sync is working. You are creating something, you are building, then you are deploying, you are checking from here. This is the CI guideline. For that, you will need Azure Architects. For that, you have to do paid service. Free deployment is not possible. Paid services are. Okay. One more thing. Go to your IntelliJ. Open your IntelliJ. Go to your IntelliJ. Open ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ? Here in your this project, SVIT, the project that we create here, the git bash terminal and check ಮಾಡಿ ಕೆಲವು ಇದು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇದು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. We have not uploaded. Git push ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. Let's do it. What we will do is terminal go git bash go to git bash and just take this git status check ಮಾಡಿ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ. You will see that ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ತುಂಬಾ changes ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. We have done so many changes. Everything is red. Is it red? Check there. Check its status. Is it red? No, ma'am. What I'm saying is.
Project, I opened the terminal. In that, I selected Git Bash.
It will not be there. You have to write git status. So we are need to do that. Git status. Okay, it is red. That means there are so many things that we have not added, right? So we'll say git add. Added. Now push. Git push. Oh, sorry. Git commit. Commit before pushing commit minus n. Added. Minus n and mandatory. Our terminal close. Close and open one more time. Added final files to the cloud, you can say. To the GitHub repo.
Git
Git add properties. Added all the final files to the GitHub, sorry, GIT. Okay. Any sensible message you can write there. After that, git. What have you done? Before commit add ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಲ್ಲ commit ಅಂತ status ನೋಡಿ check ಮಾಡಿ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ green ಇದ್ರೆ everything is fine. Green ಇರುತ್ತೆ red ಇರಲ್ಲ check ಮಾಡಿ. If it is green, no problem. Git commit, don't press enter. Minus m, then write the message, then enter. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ you are creating a bank account without using the card. Don't do that. Yes, sir. Not take it. ಯಾವ project ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ sir. It should go to maybe to grade ಅಲ್ಲ sir. Maybe demo ಮಾತ್ರ, maybe project ಮಾತ್ರ, not maybe to grade. SVIT demo ಅಂತ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇನಿಷಿಯಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಸಬ್ಮಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಬಟನ್ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು Git push and press enter. All the data will be pushed to your repository. Okay. Now go back to your GitHub. Refresh ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ SRC ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿರುತ್ತದೆ. SRC ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇನ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಬಂತ Submit. Now go back to your that project that we created. ಇಲ್ಲಿ Jenkins ಅಲ್ಲಿ project create ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ open that project like this page open. See, if you can't open like this, go to dashboard. You will see the projects here. Take that project where you have Jenkins and Node. Either item, it will be like this. See, it will be like this. The project will be like this.
Yes, yes.
Then it will be like this. Okay. Now click on build now. Now click on build now. And check the console output. You will get a pipeline. You will console output. Check the console output. Your browser open again. See, now you understood, sir, how it is getting checking everything from there, running test cases and then successful. Okay. Mics are open. Check my.
Again, I give the again,
ಅದು ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ click ಮಾಡಿ blue color ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಓಪನ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಲೇಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅದು ತುಂಬಾ ಬೇಗ ಓಪನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಓಪನ್
From the dash.
just go there now in that project name project name ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ go there build now you go build now here ಬೇಗ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ನೋಡಿ ಇವಾಗ ಓಪನ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಓಪನ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಆಗಿದೆ you can see the output console output also console output ನೀವು ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ ಓಪನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಸರ್ ನೀವು ಅದೇ ಆಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಾಗೆ ನೀವು ಒಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಬ್ರೌಸರ್ ಓಪನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಓಕೆ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಬೈ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ
This concept is easy then.
ಈಸಿ ಇದೆ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ನಾನು ಆ ತರ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಈಸಿ ಅನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗೋ ಟು ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸರ್ಚ್ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ how hard it is to understand. We don't everything in our company. ನಾವು ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ because universal ಇದೆ I have dedicatedly created this kind of in company this will not be done. We will be building different kind of for you this much is enough. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ here it is done. ರಾಂಗ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ console output ಅಲ್ಲಿ check the console output and see read the error material ಇಲ್ಲಿ error ಇರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ build success ಇಲ್ಲ build failure ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ what is there written
Silly question.
Let me
So industry, okay, industry, another building, continuous integration, that is built. Jenkins,
You can schedule. Schedule it, but integrate you will not do it. You will not do any work organization work. When will you say? You will say that.
I attended schedule to integrate.
Not a building every time I meeting. How long is it? Testing ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಏನ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಏನೇನು ತಪ್ಪಿದ್ರೆ this is a small project. You have real-time applications doing what the they will be going to pick up. Because manually ಮಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಸರ್ in Jenkins you will have access to your system. Your code is written in your system.
Development team of tools.
That will come later.
Other than Ansible,
Ansible is not for that. Already time how to do it. This was the clear. I don't know. Meditation ಯಾರು ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Today morning session recording videos kindly share in group. It's important for because ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. Yes ma'am. Getting build failure. One nimsham. Just one moment. Can you share that photo or something? If you have. One moment, ma'am. One moment. Checking. The URL is wrong, ma'am. This you can see I am sharing there. This URL is not there. There's something wrong there. The credentials that you have given, check ಇದು username password ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ತಪ್ಪಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ. ನೋಡಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಔಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. It is not able to access. Ma'am, there is something these credentials are not matching instantly. It is not able to pass on your information to GitHub. Check ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ. Can you open this Maven project and show me? Yeah, you can. If you want, you can. Yes. Open this one. Trial.demo. What is that trial.demo file name, ma'am? That's okay, but what has happened? ಇವಾಗ ಓಕೆ ಇವಾಗ ಹಾಕಿದಿರ ಏನು ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಇವಾಗ. Go to Jenkins. Go to Jenkins. Open the Maven project. Go to configure. Scroll ಮಾಡಿ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ. GitHub URL ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ನೋಡಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. trial.demo.git. Okay. Scroll up. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬನ್ನಿ ಸಾರಿ. build steps in the ambient decision. Uh, go to the this thing. What is that called? Go to Maven project. Mailgade second option. Left hand side top corner second option. Maven. Click on your project. Maven. Go to this one. Today ಅಂತ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಇದೆ. 3:22 PM. Click ಮಾಡಿ ಅದು. Go to console output. ಇನ್ನು ಹೋಗಿ. Scroll down. Scroll down. No such. Go to your GitHub now. GitHub ikkade ಇದೆ SRC folder open ಮಾಡಿ ಒಂದು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿ ಆ ಟ್ರಯಲ್ ಡೆಮೋ ನ ರಿನೇಮ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಟ್ರಯಲ್ ಡೆಮೋ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದರ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಓಕೆ ಆತರ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಇಟ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ way go to settings about ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲೇ settings ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ so rename first to write something then read rename ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ copy this URL go back there and paste it there go to configure ಅಲ್ಲಿ paste ಮಾಡಿ ಅದು okay save apply and save ಇವಾಗ build ಮಾಡಿ go to the output ಕೆಳಗಡೆ pipeline ತರ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ check what steps you have done ಆ ಪಾಸ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ಆ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ತೋರಿಸಿ go to configure scroll down okay have that project wait give me some time you can stop sharing I'll check the error and I'll get back to you बहुत है ಅದನ್ನ ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಮಗ? Which one that we completed? Yes, sir. Ready?
Introduction to Jenkins.
Clear it, sir.
Azure DevOps.
This is very easy. 11 easy to understand that. So now one thing I want to tell you, see, we have around 5 minutes or something because after that they have something to do. So just remember that the point is Azure you have a login habit. Microsoft Azure don't log in now. Do it after February. Because your target should be again when you see that you have done this. I'm telling you that suppose program number 6 का यावत आगत है. Till topic 6 when you are finished in your college, after that you sign into Azure. Okay, because after doing that, have I shared the form? I have shared one form. So I asked you, check. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಕೇಳಿದೆ, otherwise I will not ask. When anyone from the industry is asking you, have I done something? He has done that. That's why he's asking you. You remember that? That's a hint. There is one form, Microsoft forms. You can check. If you want to see, it will be in the links. The links are very generally. There will be one Microsoft forms if you carefully see that. Vidya. So I just want you to copy that URL and try to let me open that in a new tab. Okay. Form Vidya. Yes, there. Normally, right? Your email ID, that email ID with which you have logged in, you will write. After that, this part is important. This enter the answer, your organization. I will tell you how to write it. Okay. For example, go to Azure and I'll show you. This is important to make sure you write it now. So this is anyways getting recorded. You can also see this. When you log into Azure, it will look like this. After you have signed in. But initially for days will be given 16,500 something credit. Okay. They will be using that. That is free trial version. Okay. There you will have an option called DevOps organization. For this, I will bring screenshots. Step 1, step 2, and that. So next page you can go and you can do. Don't worry about that. Okay. Just go to organization. You will have my Azure DevOps organizations at the bottom. There, you will see all the organizations that we have created. Okay, I will show you why I am showing you this. Here you can see this is an organization that we have created. It is the partner company of Tripillar. Okay, we work together. So here you can see all these projects are there. Can you see? For you will not have anything. You will have to create a new organization. Create your college name as well. Okay, whatever is your college name, create that. After that, in that, you will create projects like this new project. Okay, but can you see this name here? dev.azure.com/ that name you can see right? I've highlighted that. That is the owner of the organization. So I'll copy that and go back to our Google Docs form. You can see it is asking me dev.azure.com/organization. I don't know, I'll have to. This should be your answer. Okay, this should be your answer. After that, we are asking for permission because we want to run something on the server. They will give you in 5 days. That's why I'm saying after doing your 6 topic in the laboratory, then sign it and then fill this form and select private, not public, private. Then they will give you a free tire account. Okay? Everything I will create a PDF and mention that. Because you are here, I'm telling you this. After that, just click on submit. And keep checking your mail. For the next 3 4 days, keep checking your mail. You'll get a message. Congratulations, you have got a free tire account updated. After that, you can start working on it. ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ work ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. And remember one thing, if you activate any service, make sure you stop it. ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ you will keep on paying money. This is the cloud. You will pay, you will charge you. Any service you start, you have to pay. I will show everything in a video and PDF. Make sure you follow it. Okay?
Private you have to select. Private always.
Private, not public. Only for your students and all they can access this, not others.
But each student should create it.
They have to create their own for access. If they want to practice in the laptop, you are giving your access. They can do on, or else they can log into their Azure also and do it in there. Only ask the code. Just like a code will come to your mail and we can access. That's all. Okay. And so I think now we can wind up. Whatever is left, we will share you documents, also videos, so that you can cover that. Okay. And I hope you understood what we have learned till now. And it was a learning session, productive session, so that you learn something. And I want honest feedback from you. Was it worth it? Did you learn something?
Yes, yes.
And I'm sorry if I've been rude to anyone, because I am not a lecturer. I am an industry trainer, so sometimes maybe out of the blue I've said something. Don't feel bad about that. So hope this was a learning session and we will meet once again. And one more thing, please, please scan this QR code and give a Google review for our company. Please do it everyone. This is what we expect from everyone. Anyone take a photo of this and send it to the WhatsApp voice, so the others can also give it. Uh-huh. Yes, sir.
We have an informal function.
Yeah.
Validate. Yes.
Thanks.
You can have your tea. After that, there will be voluntary function of 10 to 15 minutes.
Any queries, anything, you can ping in the group only. Whenever I am free, I will reply.
And even if group is not responding, I hope everybody has taken. No, please like
मैं अपडेट करता हूँ
मेरे पास है ही नहीं देता
बोलो
Wait.
बोलो काट दो Yes, sir. Sorry, sir. One second. Just close. I will need around 2-3 days to summarize all the content and give you all the PDFs. Okay. But videos may ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ time. I will not forget to share everything. ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಸರ್. ಬೇರೆ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ ಭಯ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನನ್ನ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅದು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. सर किसको ये मेरा नहीं है, मेरा सिस्टम में नहीं है उधर है
मैम ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ zoom it. Your college name should be visible.
मैं ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಆದ ಜೂಮ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ತರ ಬರ್ತಲ್ಲ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
Correct, sir. मैंने सर ठीक लिखा प्रिंसिपल सर को
ध्यान से सब लोग अच्छा पहले हेलो हम नहीं चाहिए ना वो क्या है नहीं चाहिए टाइम पे प्रोसेस everyone has 2 hours lab only na per week pakka alva. So what I will do is I will prepare a simple chart so that ಯಾವ week ಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನಿಮಗೆ ಈಜಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಿ. ಹಲೋ yes in case आप पहचान पूरा हाँ पता है मैं मुझे
I hope so like my responsibility
ना बात नहीं
Never reaching, never ends.
कोई बात नहीं, कोई बात नहीं। मैं कर दूंगा, मैं बहुत सारे दोस्तों को। ಎಲ್ಲ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಸರ್, ಎಲ್ಲ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ನಿಮ್ಗೋಸ್ಕರ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಫುಲ್ ಒಂದು ಫೋಲ್ಡರ್ ಇದೆ, ಫುಲ್
चाय तो पी लो। चाय
पहले ये कर लेता हूँ।
रहेगा पूरी हालात
बगा तो नहीं है।
You sir, packer suspended.
Yeah, sure. Like it's possible.
ಅಕಡೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ
Sir, Daniel sir. ಅದೇ ಕೆಲಸ ತಿಳ್ಕೊತೀರಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ ಚೇರ್ ಒಂಚೂರು ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಫೋಟೋ ಕವರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಓಡಾಡ್ಬಿಡಿ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಹಿಂದೆ ಹರಿಸಿ ಬರ್ಬೋದು ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಸರ್ ಹಿಂದೆ ಹರಿಸಿ ಬರ್ಬೋದು
Because before the program says,
Actually, can give feedback.
from outside. Yes. Can you show? Yes, sir. Come, sir. What I would like to express here is we were very much looking forward for such a course. Because once my name is Vinay. I am a professor of practice in East West Institute of Technology. I joined in the month of October. I am looking forward. So, regarding the DevOps course, yeah, go ahead. So we were very eagerly awaiting for this DevOps course. In fact, once the DevOps course was introduced in the sixth semester, I was very much looking forward to such a course, and we are not. And what I would like to say is, that the course, it was very systematic, and every command we could execute, and whatever whatever doubts we have, we got it clarified. Then and there itself. I really appreciate it. Right? Because only when we execute on hands like that, hands, then only we will remember something. Just writing things down is not. I think. And the trainer was so patient enough that we were so many clarifications we had, and he was clarifying all our doubts. In fact, he used to give a presentation to each student. He used to go and so I like this FTP. In fact, I'm looking for many more such FTP programs and support like this. Thank you.
Any
Thank you so much.
suggestions you would like to give regarding the organization what we have?
It's very good that much. I enjoyed this FTP session. And thank you, Prasad. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you, sir.
Thank you so much.
Good evening, I am Daniel, Professor in the Department of ISC. Would like to welcome our beloved Principal, Dr. S. Sir, DevOps FDP. I would like to welcome the convener of the 2 weeks FDP, Dr. I would also like to welcome our beloved HOD, Dr. Vidya Shetty, who supported FDP. And it's an immense pleasure to welcome our resource persons, Mr. Vidya, Director, ILS Solutions Executive, and one more resource person, Mr. Saurabh Jyoti Sarkar, Project Manager, and ILS Solutions. So, would anyone like to give some other feedback? Give the feedback in the participants.
Good evening, everyone. Respected principal, sir, convener, HOD, and all the faculty members. First of all, I would like to express my sincere thanks to the SVIT and management for organizing this FDP. Actually, the VTO has introduced the DevOps for the first time. We felt very feared how we need to take up for the students and all. But immediately, a week before we got FDP is organizing, really, I felt very happy that we got a very good resource person. Sir has explained every command syntaxes with so patiently and very clearly. Really, I'm so thankful to the resource person, Saurabh sir. Thank you so much, sir. And in future also, we are waiting to have this kind of sessions in future. So I'm very happy for being a part of this program FDP. Thank you. My name is MS Rekha. I am from RL Dalappa Institute of Technology, Gurgaon.
Thank you now for your valuable feedback. We will request our principal, Dr. MS to address the gathering.
That's it.
Good evening, everyone. Dignitaries on the labs, very specifically the experts in the field of DevOps, Mr. Sarkar, Dr. Vikram, my fellow colleagues, and participants from video affiliated institutions, my dear students. My concern about teachers, particularly in the branch of IT. The confidence level of our teachers are supposed to be very deep because of the technology which are changing. Every technology has got hardly 18 months or less than 18. Unfortunately, the videos are very good. From the present generation point of view, they are really good. They are upgrading the syllabus. Right? So when they are upgrading the syllabus, we cannot keep quiet. We cannot be static. We have to be there. Otherwise, as a teacher, it will be a role not be solved. So IT branch is supposed to be tech savvy.
Okay, look for something more. Okay, some new technology. Okay, how that we can able to add the value. How much we can see. Once you exhaustively go through the DevOps, you can definitely bring in kind of an application which are essential for the students' part. Now the students will like more than the fundamentals of the application. So when you have to bring in like real time case studies, where this particular technology can, like chat GPT, how it is developed, but before that, if you can able to impress him or her with the prompt technique or how we can extract them and question the chat GPT in a way that it should fail. It should fail. The technology should fail. You should understand the weakness of that. That is going to be your job. Okay, when you want to understand the weakness of such technology, automatically your value is going to go high. How does it look like? A chat GPT, if you can able to run, sometimes it doesn't give the wrong results. Okay, how many times I try to do that many times. Okay, because I try to see that how we can able to tweak the chat GPT, how we can able to make sure that it will fail. Okay, if you can able to do so, I think that you want to get a kind of a confidence that yes, something more is to be done for this particular technology, so that we can able to build a sustainable technology. Okay, if you can able to bring these types of objectives in your class, I think definitely students are going to consider you as a role model. Right? So that is what is required for me, for my academic community, because we have to really and strong external mechanisms for keeping me the kind of an decorum of our team, right? So hope the 2 weeks of efforts which our conveners and our HODs have really came forward to convey this 4 new technologies to all of you is really fruitful. Right? So in that context, I'm really thankful to the convener and all the HODs of IT departments in the technology, particularly about the experts and the quality of experts which is actually looking. Okay, hope when you came to your feedback, understood that it is really good. Okay, so as far as our NBA is concerned, the program outcomes are concerned. So to me, one of the important points is continuous learning. Okay, I'm really happy that all of you are learning. Okay, for the professional growth of everyone. I wish. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Now, I request the external participants to collect their certificates and attendance certificates. So I request our principal, Dr. M.S. Ganesha Prasad, to present it for the external participants. First, I would like to call upon S. Vinayak sir from Express Institute of Technology.
Yeah.
Sir. Thank you.
Next, I would like to call Sharad Babu sir, SPI. Next, Rekha DK from MBA. Next, Muthu Ramalingam sir from Sarambi IT. Next, Professor Sagar KR from Chitradurga. Samhita from Sridevi Institute of Technology Singapore. Rekha MS, RLJIT. Itishri from Sarangi. Thank you, sir. Now it's time to honor our resource persons. I would like to call Vikrant sir, Director, Client Solutions, UP. I request all the dignitaries to honor our resource person. I would like to honor one more resource person who carried out the sessions very well. As we all know that he taught us like students, because we were observing that he used to go through all the faculties and used to clarify all the doubts. So it's our immense pleasure to honor us. I request all the dignitaries to honor the subject letter of this. Now it's time to thank all the participants. First and foremost, I'd like to thank our management who encouraged us to conduct this 2-week FDP program. So I also thank our principal, Dr. M.S. Ganesh Prasad sir, for his constant support. And I'd like to thank Dr. Shantakumar Patil sir for initiating this FDP program. I'd like to thank our HOD, Dr. Vidya for coordinating this DevOps FDP. And I would like to thank our resource persons, Mr. Vikram, as well as Mr. Saurav, and last, I would like to thank all the participants from various colleges. So here we are from Tumkur, from Vidya, from Kola. So we really, it's our pleasure to have you all at this event. So we really encourage your participation in all the, and also the online partners. We have 30 plus online participants who are being a part of this FDP from various parts of Canada. So we have participants from Mangalore, from Mysore, from Davanagere, and all. We would like to thank all the participants. Thank you for all your feedback.
I thank members for supporting this workshop. 2 days, 2 weeks. It's a very, as all of you know, it is hectic task. But they supported. I thank our principal, Dr. Ganesh Prasad sir. So very short duration. We do announce this syllabus, then immediately same day I to our principal. He encouraged us, no, you go ahead. I'm with you. So because of his cooperation, we were able to conduct this FDP in a very short duration. You know, it's very difficult to arrange the resource person. You know, develop one day because of some technical issues. Yeah, issues. Even that problem happened, you have. So I thank for that. I thank management, principal, and HODs. I thank all the participants. So we have regards to HODs. Thank the attendees, participants. So thank you.
Sir, I request all the participants for joining for a group photo.
Git add dot do dot add paka ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ execute ಆಗಲ್ಲ.
So like a project.
I'm very happy to share.